Well, this is what it looks like now.
Or this high quality roll bar. This one down too. No wrench required. Square nuts. Don't know if they was with this truck. What? But right era. Gonna say no, that's not factory. It's carriage bolt welded to the front rail. They got her welded good. They blew a hole through the rail there, about the size of a nickel. We'll fix it. That's what we do here. Whoa. Ford key. I wonder what's that story. Wonder how long that's been laying there. Old school fork door key. See how good my forklift driving abilities are. Get that mess out of there too. Front of the bed's actually still pretty dang straight. Impressive. And the floor's not rusted out. I'll show you. Wonder what the hole goes clear through into the cab. Wonder what that was all about. Looks like some factory stuff. I'll show you that too. Maybe if I can get the magnet to let loose. Right there. That goes all the way through into the cab. High quality, NHRA approved roll bar. Certified farmer welds. Passenger seat. No rust though, and the fender wells aren't KO'd. Pretty cool. I'm digging it. We can fix that. There's no shortage of projects around this place. That's okay. That's how we like it. Better that way than nothing to do. We're going to work on radar some more today. Put you up there on the cherry picker where you can see. Let's get you straightened up a little bit. Well, I had to go get a new shirt. So, instead of green and gray. Let me show you why. Right there. That'll get visited by a hammer or a grinder or something. Let me show you about radar. So, high-tech ignition switch. Starter. Make sure he's in neutral. It's under there. Shove in that guy. It starts. And he's got oil pressure. No idea temperature gauge works. To the best of my knowledge, it's 230 cubic inch Chrysler L head or flathead. I read that if it was made in Canada, it's a 251. If it's made in the United States, it's a 230. Generates about 78 horsepower at 78 horsepower, 3,200 RPM, and about 180 foot-pounds of torque. And by 1952 standards, that was probably pretty powerful. We're going to do a little more than that for it. Anyway, let's get a compression test on this motor so we know where we're at, what we got. This motor's going to be for sale. If anybody's in need, contact us on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or one of the other digital forms of conversation. Stand by. Let's go to work. Got the pretty lady helping today. And the boxer dogs, Stella, Sophie. They're supervising. I might have to find some elevation here.
Had to go find a step stool?
Yeah. Let's go and full compression check on this motor so we know, got kind of an idea, kind of shape it's in. Seems like it runs all right. Spins its tires. Do you see that outside?
I got that.
She did a little spur nail. A spit out gravel. Looks like she could use a little bit of compressed air before we go pulling plugs. It's a new day on radar. We didn't get here as far as I had hoped. Got a late start. Let's see what makes rain good. I'll take you with me, show you what's going on over here. Somebody welded the bumper, the frame, some more goobs. Welds actually aren't that bad. I was making fun of them a little bit. We're going to clean that all up. We're going to cut it off right there. We'll cut that off. We'll clean that all up. We're going to reuse this frame. 1/4 inch thick. It'd be plenty heavy duty enough to do what we want to do. Military axles, I don't know what. Spicer, I suppose, probably. They're closed knuckle. We're going to update it. It'll be open knuckle. Dana 60s. I am going to leave it leaf spring, I think. I don't mind leaf spring at all. I'm not a rock crawler. I'm more utilitarian. I like to be able to use my trucks. I want to be able to tow with it. I want to be able to go haul a load of firewood with it and take her to the wrecking yard, maybe pick up an engine or something with her. There's the transmission. It has been replaced. It's not original. I got no idea what it is. Leaky. Original transfer case. Kind of cool technology there. It's divorced as a lot of the old stuff was, like the old Fords, even the old Chevys. How about that? 2 output shafts. One that goes to that rear diff that's offset. Big space, little space. That output right there was designed for another drive shaft to go right over the top of this axle housing to a second differential. Military made things very versatile. This transfer case would have probably worked in several different trucks. We're changing that too. It works. I've had it in 4-wheel drive. It does everything it's supposed to do. I just want a little more modern. Not a lot more modern, but a little more modern. Well, let's find you folks a place to hang out again. All right, hang out there. We'll get the front end off of this little truck. That's pretty wild. The frame for the radiator is the mount for the front end. This front end that's not mount right. Not made it simple. We'll leave that right there. I want to go ahead and get this front end unbolted, and then we'll deal with the bumper. Get out of the way. Make progress. Well, so we got time for today, folks. Tomorrow's a brand new day. It's also still the weekend, so we'll get after it some more tomorrow. Thanks for watching.